Hey, it's Kitchen with Keep It Plain Travel. And real quick, I want to show you what I do when I take my luggage tag off of my suitcase, off of my luggage that the airport puts on. You know, the little sticky luggage tag and the stickers that they put on your luggage after you check in. Come with me, let me show you. So, I take it off the backing that is on it. I also remember to take off the barcoded stickers that they put on like the back of your luggage as well. So I put the barcoded stickers here on the front, stick them on here. If I have any left from the luggage claim ticket that they give you, I stick those on here too. Get off the backing, and then I start at the top, which I started a little here, and I roll it down. Okay, I roll it down all the way, roll it down all the way until it's done. Okay, it's rolled, right? So after it's rolled, I take some scissors and I just cut. I usually cut this over a trash can, and I cut. That popped over to the other side of the room, but that's okay. And I cut again over a trash can, and I cut, and I cut, and I cut. And when it's all done, I take this and I throw it in the trash. Okay, maybe I'm a little OCD, but if you haven't heard, they found a new way to scam, which at this point isn't new anymore, and people are taking your luggage, your airport printed luggage tags, the stickers, scanning them or entering the code somewhere and finding your information. So I am super OCD about that. When I travel and I fly and I get to a destination that's not my home, I take the luggage stickers and the tags off and I put them in my carry-on duffel bag or whatever it is. And then I usually bring them back home with me, and then I take the stickers that I got for traveling back home, and then I put those together, roll them, and cut them both up. That includes, like I said, the claim tickets. We cut it all up so we can make sure that our info is being disposed of safely and correctly. Plain and simple.